In this clip, I'm going to show you how to utilize the Peek feature that lets you look into the other areas of Outlook without leaving where you're working. The newer versions of Microsoft Outlook have incorporated a handy little tool called Peeks. Let's say, for example, I got an email and somebody's asked me for some time on my calendar. I don't necessarily want to switch over to my calendar, I just want to take a quick peek at it. If you mouse over the links at the bottom of the page, a pop-up window with a peek into our calendar appears. By selecting different days, you can actually see your availability. So on the 19th, I might have some time in the morning. On the 20th, it looks like I'm open most of the day. If I want to look at my people real quick or my contacts, I can hover over that one as well. And it gives me a list of my favorite people, or I can actually search for someone. So I can find Dan, who's my Chief Executive Officer, and create an email to him. If I'd like to take a permanent peek, I can click a button in the upper right-hand corner that says Dock the Peek, and it will dock it on the right-hand side. Let's take a look and see how this works in the calendar. In the Mail pane, we have the to-do bar, but in our calendar view, we do not. But let's say we want to see our tasks in our calendar view. By hovering over the tasks and clicking the Dock the Peek, basically we create a to-do bar in any one of our views. So we can see what we need to see where we're at instead of having to switch over to the other view. If at any time I want to close my peek, click the X in the upper right-hand corner. So Peeks lets you look into the other areas of Microsoft Outlook without having to switch from where you're currently working. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next clip.